So today, what we are going to see is why we are what is Nmap and why we are using that Nmap and who and all uses Nmap and some little tricks and how you can scan using Nmap things and all. So let us start. What actually is Nmap is. So Nmap is a network scanner. So we can scan for every host which is available in internet. So and what is like why security professionals use Nmap. So using this Nmap only we'll be finding open ports and services and much more some vulnerable kind of informations in using Nmap. And then who all uses Nmap? So like a network admins, some people will be using, and most of the security professionals and bug bounty hunters and the person who is in security field, they will be mostly using Nmap. They will be more they'll be mostly using this Nmap to scan their networks and to find some vulnerabilities and all. So and today what we are going to see is, so for start we just see what is the basics, like how we'll be scanning some basic things and all. So and then we'll be moving for version scanning and operating system detection and more. We can see what are all the commands available in map. So those things are all we can see here. So I'll be just picking my target in showdown. So I'll show you some live thing. So so okay, for now I'm just taking some random targets here. So for now I got, yeah, let us take this target itself. So I'm just copying this. I am just moving my Kali and I'm running some basic scan here. So it will take around 1 hour, 1 minute, or maximum of 2 minutes it will take. So let us see what results we get. So parallelly we can see what things, what and all the ports open in our in our host machine itself. So for that I'll be running 127.0. Yeah, fine. So here so it says every port is closed. So for example, I'm opening some random ports like SSH I'm opening, and an Apache 2 I'm opening. So for now I just opened two ports. So again I'm running my Nmap basic scan. So now we can see what and all the ports we got. So we got SSH port and HTTP port. So this is our, since it's a local machine, scan is done fast. So it's an remote target. So it takes almost 1 or 2 minutes. So the other thing, what are all the commands are available in Nmap? Let us see that one. So for that I am just typing Nmap itself. So I am making my full screen. So I am just coming around some limited commands. Okay. So because we have more commands for doing more functions. So we'll just come. I'll just tell you some important scans what and all you will be doing. So we will be using -ss for TCP scan and -ST for three-way handshake TCP scan we'll be using, and then -SU we'll be using for UDP port scan. Then we can specify the exact port. If we need to specify some SSH port, means we'll be using that SSH port, or that is 22, and then we can give some range of ports also, and we can like this, and otherwise you can use these things for alternative as -p and you can mention UDP and TCP ports at same series like this -p. I'm mentioning UDP 53 DNS port and 1111, and then I'm mentioning TCP port 21 to 20. Here I'm mentioning range TCP port from 21 to 25 I'm mentioning, then 80 port and whatever it is. And then this one will be using for a fast mode. So later we'll be using this one and see like how accurate the result is. Then I'm mentioning like this one, top ports, top 1000 ports or top 100 ports, like this I can scan. So and then we'll we just move to the other section. Here it's service and version detection. So you can use this -sv for directing service and version. So what and all the vendor they are using, and what is the version of that vendor. We can find that everything here. And these are some additional commands which we are using along with -sv. And then script scanning. So at last we can speak about the script scan. So it's an important one. And here the other thing is operating system detection. So for that we will just put -o to detect what operating system our target is using. And then we'll be using -t 0 to 5. So 5 is the very fastest one. So and 0 is the very slowest one. So we can go around this one. So like how much slow you are scanning, your results will be that much accurate. And then what we can scan is, and then what thing is, then -f for launching fragment attacks, or we are fragmenting packets. So this will be useful for bypassing some firewall kind of things. And this decoy also will make your scan very slow to get some accurate results. So it takes almost 5 to 10 minutes for you to scan this one. And then outputting your Nmap results in XML format, or some graphable format, or text format, whatever format it is. So we can we can export our scan results using this -ox, on for normal mode, and ox for XML. So these and all the regular commands, and -a for enable OS detection, version detection. So this we can if we use this one, means we'll be getting your scan results more accurately. And then yeah, that's it. These and all the commands I'll be using regularly for my pen test activities. So let us see here. Here is a remote target. We just scanned. We just done a basic scan, and what we got is SSH port, TCP. Okay, fine. Sorry, and HTTP, HTTPS, and more ports we have got. So now just see, here is some close ports and all. So for now, leave as it is. So this was the basic scan we just done. So and the other thing is, we can do some service kind of finding service, and version things and all, an operating system. So these things all we can see to make our scanning effective. So I am just using I'm coming step by step. Okay, so this is my target, and I am just putting -sv. Okay, so I'll mention these ports because it's somewhat like time consuming. So 443, and then 801. Okay, fine. And then 1720. Okay, so parallelly we can see the other script scanning commands and all. So for doing script scan, so what is a script scan? So here in Nmap itself, we can use some NSC scripts to find vulnerabilities and all. So if we use like this -sc, so it is equivalent to this -hyphen script. So this -hyphen script, what thing we have to put here? So we'll be putting some NSC scripts here. So where is the NSC script locates? User share Nmap, sorry, scripts. Yeah, so we have this much NSC scripts. So these scripts only we will be putting for we will be using with that -hyphen script here. So here we'll be using where, right? Yeah, it's here. -hyphen script equal to one of the NSC script which is here according to your pen testing. So if you find some SSH kind of things, or some SQL kind of things, or SMP, SMB, SSH, whatever it is, so you will be here you will have some that particular NSC scripts. So here you can use -hyphen script equal to this particular, for if you got some SNMP port, so you can use this SNMP brute force, or SNMP HH3 C login, and we can get SNMP info, or whatever. Most at most point we'll be getting we'll be gathering more information from this NSC script alone. So equal to this one, we can use this one. So you got for now, just we have put this particular ports 22, 80, 443. I'm sorry, I just used four instead of 443 I just used 442. Okay, and again we can run our scan. So for this particular port we can get so some suggestions. So what and all the vulnerabilities will be in this port. So these kind of things will be getting. So parallelly I'll run that scan also. Nmap hyphen sv hyphen sc. For short I'll be using instead of using hyphen script I'll be using hyphen sc here. So and then what I is my operating system, and then I'll be putting it in aggressive mode, and then for some fastness, so I'll be putting hyphen T4. Mostly in my pen test I'll be using this hyphen T4 only. That's what I am putting here, and I need to scan every ports, every TCP ports. So for that one, for the thing I'll be using hyphen P hyphen, and then for scanning only 65,535 NSE ports. Okay, sorry, TCP ports. I'm just using hyphen SS to mention I need to scan only TCP ports, and I'm mentioning my target here. So it takes around more time it will take. So at the meantime, you can see here. Okay. So let us wait for some more minutes to complete this scan. And the other thing is I need to get some like particular port. So this much port it takes some time. Yeah, we got here. So what we got here, since we just scan for SSH, HTTP, HTTPS, then we have device and H323 some whatever it is. So we got SSH, we got is they are using Open SSH version 5.2 and then protocol 2.0, and then HTTP we got they are using Apache. Okay, and this 801 port also uses SSH, and the same Open SSH 5.2. So these information we got from here. We just scan for only this amount of ports, and I just mentioned just get me some version and service thing. So for this command I got this results. So we can parallelly check for the other one which we ran for full. So we can just wait for 2 more minutes to get to scan to complete this scan. So now for now I am just mentioning what and all the vulnerabilities can be possible in this SSH. So for that I am mentioning SSH port, and I am mentioning script scan, and then my target. Okay, this much information is enough for me. So let us see what will be the result of this one. Okay, fine. If you got like this means what is hyphen pn? So hyphen pn will make your target. It will scan that your target is alive. So it's not actually bypassing something or whatever it is here. Treat all hosts as online. So what it has, what the scan assumes is, yeah, this target is in online, like it assumes, and it will scan for it. So we can use that one hyphen pn. So instead of using this hyphen pn, we can use hyphen small f to evade some. To if there is some protection means if hyphen f will evade you. So yes, here. So we got more information we got. So we can just take some other ports like SMB we can take here. So I am taking this random target here, and I am putting it in map. So we can see what happened to that full scan. Here also something is blocking us. So for that what we can do is just put hyphen f. So let us see what happened to our result. Okay, fine. So we have some issues here, so we can just put hyphen p in itself to get the results. And this is another remote target. So let us wait for 2 minutes. So in more, so what and all the what and all the pen test you're engaging, whether it can be some system exploitation or web application pen testing, whatever it is. So we need to scan the target using Nmap to see what and all the ports available there, and what and all new like vulnerable versions are there. So instead of breaking into web application, we can break into ports also. So this one is nice idea for us. And here I see some 445 SMP port. So here I'll be scanning this port, like I'll be putting for script scanning to get some informations or vulnerabilities or whatever it is. And then I'm mentioning -SV, and then yeah, it's enough for now. So I'm particularly scanning for a TCP port. So mm, 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 mm. So let us wait for a minute. Okay. So when you are doing in most of the time, if you got like there is every port filtered like this, if you got means you need to scan full 65,535 ports you have to scan. So if you type that means like more possibilities to get more informations and more ports. So see here, we just ran using this -SC and -SV to get version, service, and some more information about that particular port. So for SMB port we got Windows Server 2008 R2 standard 7601. So it runs in service pack 1. So and what and all the information we got: an operating system Windows, okay, and then we got some clock screw meantime and SMB OS discovery. We got some information like computer name is VPS, so they are using some kind of VPS thing here there. So work group name and SMB security mode. So authentication is guest and authentication user, and SMB security mode is 2.02, but it's not required. And then SMB 2 time. So using this script scan, we are just getting more information about the port. So these things are useful for future enumeration and exploitation. So this was the short introduction or short thing you should learn regarding Nmap. So what and all things we got using Nmap, we just like we'll see that one. So what we got, we just ran some basic scan using Nmap, and then what we did some service enumeration using this Nmap, and we got more information about the target or targeted port using this Nmap. So these are some basic things when you are going to when you are approaching some targets. So like there is more thing in Nmap. So we can use some fragmentation attack, or we can use some spoofing kind of attack. So this thing is enough for beginners who is going to who is starting their pen test. So it's enough, guys. So thank you.